Hi, Xhorse fans. Now, the RH850 cable for multi-prog is hitting the market to great anticipation. No cutting wires, no lifting pins. This cable supports reading from the following 3 series of instruments, which require the use of the multi-prog. Today, we'll demonstrate the data reading process using the 1407 instrument. Friends who need to calculate IMO data will also need a VVDI2. If you have a Keytool Plus, you can use it for calculations as well. Let's get started without further ado. First, open a multi-prog software, find the option and view the connecting diagrams. Remove these for components. Solder the wires to connect the cable and instrument. Secure them with acetate tape. Once the soldering is successful, connect the cable, multi-prog, computer, and VVDI2. Don't forget to power the multi-prog. Now, let's proceed to read the data. Click Write Reading. You can check the read progress in the bottom left corner. Wait patiently for a few minutes. After successful reading, click here to save the file. Open the VVDI2 software. Enter the V850 platform. Select Keylearn, MQB platform instrument, locked Northeast C35XX. Click here to decode IMO data. Load the encrypted data just read by multi-prog. Well, it's successful. Simply save the IMO data file for making dealer key and adding key. That concludes the usage method of the MQB RH850 cable for multi-prog. No cutting wires, no lifting pins. Significantly reduces the risk of instrument damage. Very practical. See you guys next time.